Minister Narendra Modi hailed the Indian diaspora as the country's strength as he landed on a 3-day visit to the United States. Modi, who was welcomed at the Joint Base Andrews by members of the Indian American community, took to Twitter to express his gratitude, reports ANI, grateful to the Indian community in Washington, D.C. for the warm welcome. Our diaspora is our strength. It is commendable how the Indian diaspora has distinguished itself across the world, tweeted PM Modi. He also posted several pictures where he was seen shaking hands and waving to people who had turned up to greet him. Amid light showers, members of the Indian American community who gathered at the Air Force Base chanted PM Modi's name and waved the Indian flag. This is Prime Minister Modi's first visit abroad beyond the neighborhood since the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. PM Modi arrived in Washington, D.C. for his visit to the United States of America at the invitation of US President Joe Biden, according to the External Affairs Ministry. Upon his arrival in Washington, he was received by US Department of State officials including T.H. Brian McCune, US Deputy Secretary of State for Management and Resources at Joint Base Andrews in Washington, D.C. He was welcomed by India's ambassador to the US, Taranjit Singh Sandhu, along with the defense attaché, including Brigadier Anup Singhal, Air Commander Anjan Bhadra and a Naval Attaché Commander Nirbhaya Bapna. During his visit, he will address the UN General Assembly and attend the Quad Leaders Summit as well as hold a bilateral meet with US President Joe Biden at the White House. Biden will host PM Modi at the White House on September 24th, and this is going to be the first in-person meeting between the two leaders after Biden took over as the US President on January 20th. On the itinerary-packed first day of his US visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold meetings with Australian counterpart Scott Morrison, US Vice President Kamala Harris, and the select heads of corporates that have the potential to invest significantly in India. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.